I'm also looking for help, any kind of help. If people that want to help, looking for sponsorships, grant writers. If anyone's a good grant writer, technical help, anything you want to do, helping out with events, let us know. We want to get this thing nationwide. We want to get the word out. There will always be something coming down the road. Living History Days, more events. We want to take this into the world of social media. It's the potential is unlimited. This December 7th is the 75th anniversary of the start of World War II for the United States. So you're going to see a lot of stuff in the media on the 75th anniversary the next 4 years. And you younger people, you will experience this in 2040 to 2044, the 100th anniversary of World War II. So you're going to know these stories and hear these stories, and some of you met these veterans at Living History Days and go, wow, that was 100 years ago. I met them, I heard them.